Hey guys, Richard Woodward here with Specialty Lending. So I wanted to share with you a little success story that we had with Carl Rohn about a realtor event that we did. So Carl promoted a CE class called How to List and Sell More Houses with Renovation Lending. So he got his realtors together. We did a CE class for them. So they were really excited about this because this program actually shows realtors how to fight against companies like Zillow and Redfin and We Buy Ugly Houses, Open Door. These companies are going after the realtor's business, and we use this, we leverage this tool for you to get in front of more realtors and show them how that they can earn more money. So what it does is, with renovation lending, you can actually list any house in any condition. A lot of realtors will just list it as cash only. But if they use this program and list it as available for FHA and conventional financing, they increase their reach by over 450%. So millions of extra buyers can actually qualify to buy this house. So they can sell it for more money, their sellers make more money, and then we show them exactly how to do it. This renovation lending program is great for their business, it's great for you. So you'll partner with your realtors, you'll tell them to list it available for FHA and conventional, and in the little write-up you're going to put this home qualifies for special financing programs. So when they put that in there, it helps them to get more calls, and you can actually work with them and pre-qual anyone that comes to look at that house. So you win, the realtors win, everybody wins, Service First wins, and everybody does well. So if you need more help on this, you'd like to schedule a renovation class, a CE class for your realtors, just reach out to me. I'm here to help you. We want you to be successful and help your realtors sell more houses this year. So call me anytime in the office, 214-945-1066.